Hello students, I am Sakshi, an assistant professor in RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. In this video, we will discuss about the concept of demand. What is demand? In simple words, we can say that demand refers to the desire of the customer to purchase any commodity, and also he has the sufficient money to purchase that commodity, and along with this he must have the willingness to spend those money on that particular commodity. If we talk about demand, then we must know about the three essentials of demand which differentiates the demand from needs and desires. The first one is desire, which means the customer must have the desire to purchase that particular commodity. Along with this, he must have the purchasing power to purchase that commodity, or we can say he must have the enough money to purchase that commodity. And the last one is he must have the willingness, or we can say agreeableness, to spend those money on the particular commodity. So all these three essentials are very much necessary for the demand of any particular commodity. This we will discuss with the help of an example. For example, a person has a desire to purchase the car, but if he don't have enough money to buy it, then it will not be considered as demand. Or in second case, if he has enough money to purchase the car, but he doesn't wants to spend those money on that particular car, so it will also not considered as demand. When that particular customer have a desire to purchase the car, and also he have enough money to purchase the car, and he will be ready to spend those money to purchase that particular car, then it will be considered as demand. Now, if we talk about the various features of demand, the first one is desires and demand. As we discussed previously, that demand consists of three essential elements: desire, purchasing power, and willingness to buy that product. The next one is demand and price. The person should have agreeableness to purchase that particular commodity on the particular price which is given at the given point of time. Point of time means at which point we are measuring the demand of that particular commodity. Now, if we talk about the objectives of demand analysis, the first one is demand forecasting. Demand forecasting means to estimate the demands in advance. The second one is inventory control. Inventory control means to have control on the stock of the particular product which we available in our warehouses. Or the next one is product planning, sales forecasting, to estimate the sales in advance, control of business growth in long-term investment programs, economic planning, and policy making. Now, there are two terms. The first one is demand, the second one is quantity demanded. They both are different terms. This we will discuss with the help of an example. For example, a customer's demand is of 2 ice creams if the price of per ice cream is rupees 15, and his demand will increase to 4 ice creams if the price falls down to rupees 10. Then it will be considered as customer's demand. But the quantity demanded means at what particular price the customer demands what quantity, that is known as quantity demanded. When the quantity is specific, then it will be termed as quantity demanded, and if it will change with the change of other factors, then it will be considered as demand. Okay, thank you.